nothing like your smile in the morning, following the linings on your cheeks. Cause baby, in your absence life is boring, so I'll never leave. It's easier to
another lazy afternoon. The clouds covered in gray. Third coffee of the day. Almost fell asleep on Zoom. I yawn at the display. Third meeting of the day. But I can hear raindrops tap dancing on the roof. It's like they're calling out, don't lose your youth, 'cause I can stay inside and
Dun dun dun.
think you're cute, can I hit you up on Instagram? Cause you are the only thing I'm thinking of, and I can't stop it, I'm wishing you and I were talking. But even if we talked, I wouldn't know what I would say myself. Your awkwardness would just get in the way. And maybe I'm a little bit shy, but I'll try my best to compromise. Cause oh, I think I really like how you're always staring at your feet. Pictures only tell so much. So I'm thinking of a message to send you, but it's hard for me to tell if it's too long or not enough. But talking to you is all I want, and I'm trying hard to take a chance and send you the message. I'm hovering over send, but it's so hard to press it. Maybe I'm scared that you might hate. Try not to mess it up. I don't wanna confess too much. I just wanna get to know a little more about my Insta crush. I don't know what's the best way to start, cause if I'm not careful I might let it on my heart, out of my chest too fast. But I really wanna make the conversation last, so I'll start off slow with something really simple like hey hello, I kinda like it. Impulse wait, that's so dumb, but I can't think straight. I've been thinking really long and now it's getting late. Oh, but even if I'm sleeping, I'm up all night just thinking of the words I wanna say to you. And no, I don't wanna sound creepy, but most of the time I fall in love. It's with someone who laughs the way you do. So talking to you is all I want. I'm trying hard to take a chance and send you a message. I'm hovering over send, but it's so hard to press it. Maybe I'm scared that you might hate me, but I'll try not to mess it up. I don't wanna confess too much, I just wanna get to know a little more. But I can't find the words to say. Never been good at talking. I wish there was an easy way to go down this road I'm walking. I don't think I'll ever be close to a girl I only know through a post.
Dear Diary, I have finally finished my high school journey. Can you believe that? Well, I can't. I never expected that I'll graduate physically given the situation these days. But I'm so thankful that I was able to walk up that stage and experience the real essence of a graduation. Graduating with an award was only a bonus. To my friends that I was not able to meet during graduation because our schedules were all different, I'm still thankful for you guys, and congratulations also for graduating like me. I'm now on my way to freestyle college, or probably not. Like I always say, thanks for being here and keep on reaching for your dreams. With so much love, Shaz.